These last couple of weeks are tough, tough to take, especially as hard as the guys work and play.
It's frustrating. We say the same thing every week, so it's tough. And I'm pretty upset and frustrated and disappointed in myself and the way I finished the game.
They all sting. They all sting because I know we're close, and kind of sick and tired of getting up here and saying that we're close. Something's got to give.
Doug Peterson and the Jags try to end a 5-game losing streak after they began the season 2-1.
Well, if the Jaguars are going to get a win, Trevor's got to be better, arguably coming off his worst performance yet as a pro. He's got to show some mental toughness and bounce back today.
Let's go. Hey, let's go, baby. One play at a time, let's go.
So they'll start at the 30, they go left to right. Trevor Lawrence, a tough game a week ago, still 10 touchdowns, 6 interceptions on the year. He's thrown for over 1,800 yards. Trevor rolls, looks, fires deep downfield, middle of the field. That ball's going to be caught. Christian Kirk makes the catch. They're going to tackle him around the 31-yard line of the Las Vegas Raiders, but that's a first down after a 23-yard gain. Jermichael Hasty now in the game in place of Etienne. Now they motion him back and they toss it to the right, and that ball's on the ground. They tried to toss the ball to Jermichael Hasty, but it got on the ground. It is a fumble, and it looks like the Raiders have recovered it. The play was not really very efficient. Hasty never had it. It's a fumble, and the Raiders take over at their own 29-yard line.
Golly! You good? Great job. We got everything we want. We can't let that happen. We're good. Next play. Let's go.
10th play of the drive upcoming now for the Raiders on 2nd down and 4 from the 25 of Jacksonville. 5 minutes to play in the first, no score. Fires along the left side. That ball is going to be caught by Davante Adams for the touchdown. He beat Tyson Campbell, and the Raiders strike first at TIAA Bank Field. 3 tight ends set this time for the Raiders from the 38 of Jacksonville. Carr under center, now looking all kind of time, throwing deep. Davante Adams is wide open. There was nobody within 20 feet of him. He walks into the end zone for the easiest touchdown he will score all year. Davante Adams, you ready for this? 7 catches for 126 yards and 2 touchdowns. And we've got 10:51 to play in the first half.
Do our job. Let's go. Come on. We're good. We put it in and we're fine. Let's go. We got to put this one in. We got to. Let's go.
You almost, as a player, you can't even look at the scoreboard because you can't get 17 in one drive. And you got to get in that huddle and say, hey, let's put together a drive here. It'll get us 7, and let's see what our defense can do.
Jags 1 out of 4 on 3rd downs. Hasty in the game is the running back. Bunch to the right on a shotgun. It's a blitz again. Trevor stepped away from it. He's going to run it. 40, 35, 30 along the left sideline. Good run by Trevor Lawrence. He'll convert the first down. Inside handoff Etienne inside the 5-yard line. He's going to have a first down and more. Got it all the way to the 1-yard line. There's that burst from Travis Etienne. First and goal to the 1-yard line of the Raiders. High snap, he handles it to give to Etienne. Toward the goal line. Touchdown! A 1-yard touchdown run.
Let's go!
Great job, y'all. My fault is good. Great job. My fault is good. And I hold on to
Trevor looks. He's going to run for it. First down and more. Stays on his feet into Raiders territory. Terrific run by Trevor Lawrence.
Clock. Easy.
Patterson is 11 of 12 on the year. This is a 44-yarder from the middle of the field. And the 44-yard field goal is...
You make it? Yes, sir.
Good on the final play of the half. Boy, you needed that, and the Jags get the ball to start the second half. Look, it was a half dominated by the Las Vegas Raiders. They went up 17-0, but the Jags battled back. They got a touchdown for the first time, and then late in the half, Trevor Lawrence moved them down the field to set up Riley Patterson's 44-yard field goal, and even though all seemed lost for much of the half, the Jags got it to 20-10, so a very good end to a very tough half for the Jaguars. Ball from the 4-yard line to the 15-yard line, 20-yard line. Jamal Agnew into the open field, 30, 40, 45-yard line, into Raiders territory. A terrific return by Jamal Agnew. That ball is going to be caught. I think Robertson knocked him out of bounds, but let's see the call. Trevor fires right corner of the end zone, caught for the touchdown.
Great move, baby. Great route. Great job. Bro, he killed him. I hit him like this, like about a conversation. You went here. Yeah.
Christian Kirk ran circles around Trayvon Merrick, the safety, who somehow has to cover Christian Kirk on that side of the field. That was an easy completion for Trevor Lawrence.
Go from the 18-yard line, right to left come the Jag, fires deep downfield, the ball's caught. That's Dan Arnold, the tight end, but another first down for Jacksonville. This is Etienne, inside the 5, into the end zone, touchdown!
Let's go. Keep going. Bury him. Go, baby.
Oh, I love the play design. You catch the defense still getting lined up in a quick little pitch to Travis Etienne to the outside, finds a crease, and it's in the end zone.
Hey, they still need a touchdown. Let's go.
Can your defense bail you out here? 3:03 to play, no timeouts left for the Raiders.
Here we go, fourth down, opportunity to win the game.
Sorry, drops it to blitz. Looking, fires middle of the field, and that ball's incomplete. It is an incomplete pass. The ball goes over on downs. Darius Williams has the coverage, and the Jags take over. They're going to attempt a 48-yard field goal. He missed a moment ago. Cook puts it down. Patterson kicks it up, and the field goal is good. Right down the middle. Patterson has drilled it, and the lead is 27-20 with 1:03 to play in the ball game. So here we go from the 25-yard line. Jags trying to hold on here. They're going to sack him. They're going to get him inside the 20-yard line. DeJuan Smoot got him. The clock continues to turn.
Let's go, Tim. Victory. Victory, yes. Let's go. Let's go.
The 17-point comeback is the second largest in team history. How about that? Take a knee one time, and let's get out of here.
Man, blessed be our message, man. All glory to God, man. This is the feeling, man. This is the feeling, man. We're going to keep